2 bags, cream cheese, chocolate chips. Coming in with some heavy whipping cream. I'm gonna bring in a bowl here with 1 egg, 1/4 a cup of water, 1/3 a cup of oil. Perfect. And we're just gonna mix this all together. I did this the other day and I was like, oh my goodness, this looks like a Jackson Pollock painting. Beautiful artwork. We're gonna add in some Ghirardelli double chocolate brownie mix. Looks good. Ooh, this smells lovely. We are making a take on a classic American dessert today. This is the kind of thing you find at a gas station. I mean, you can buy them at a grocery store in a box. I think they're made by Hostess. Is that who makes Twinkies? So this is gonna be a little decadent sort of cake version of one of my favorite road trip snacks. All right, now that we got this all mixed up, I'm just gonna start putting our brownie batter right on top here of our cream cheese, chocolate chips, and our heavy whipping cream. And this is just all gonna combine to make a delicious, delicious first layer of this sweet treat. Alrighty, we're gonna pop this in their oven at 325 for 30 minutes. While our cake's in the oven, I'm gonna put a stick of butter softened into our mixer. Now I've got some shortening, and I'm actually going to put in 2/3 of a cup. Perfect. We're coming in with some cane sugar. We're gonna do 3/4 a cup of this. Perfect. I've got some pure vanilla extract. I'm gonna do 2 teaspoons. Perfect. And last but not least, we've got some evaporated milk, and we are going to put in 1/2 a cup of this. That looks good. I'm just going to put my attachment onto my mixer here. And then we are gonna let this get all mixed up. Alrighty. Let's go get our cake. Alrighty. Here is our cake from the oven. We did let it cool a bit. It's kind of cool to the touch. All right. And we are gonna come in with our whipped sort of frosting mixture here. Oh my gosh, you guys, I have a feeling this is gonna be so delicious. Sugar, shortening, butter. We're talking about all my favorite flavors. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna start getting this spread into an even layer. Okay, are you guys guessing what it is yet? It's chocolate, creamy filling, and then more chocolate. Favorite thing to get at a gas station. You can buy them in the grocery store, just like a Twinkie, but a little bit different. I am excited, y'all, to dig into this. Alrighty, just one more ingredient. We've got our Duncan Hines dark chocolate fudge, which we're gonna come in and put on top here. Woo, yummy. Oh my goodness. I was kind of thinking, oh, it'd be good to have a little bit of the white still showing, but get this spread out. And now you guys probably know what this is imitating. You could use a cake batter instead of brownies if you prefer, but we decided to go with brownies, keeping it simple. Okay, I might put just a little bit more. I just melted this in the microwave for 30 seconds and then 15. All right, this is looking incredible. Okay guys, I'm gonna pop this in the fridge We're gonna let that chocolate layer on top set, and then we'll dig in. Alrighty guys, I had this in the fridge just for about 10 minutes to kind of like firm up that chocolate frosting on top. Check out these layers, okay? We've got the cream cheese, chocolate chips on the bottom. They're not chocolate, but you know what I mean. Our brownie layer, that delicious kind of creamy layer, and then the chocolate on top. And did you guys figure out what this is resembling? A ding dong. It is a ding dong cake. Oh my God, like I said, inspired by my favorite road trip snack to grab at the old Maverick or whatever gas station we're stopping at. Oh, that looks good. And now it kind of like curl up there and is looking like a ding dong. Speaking of ding dongs. All right, I'm just gonna grab a bite here. Cheers, everybody. Oh my gosh. This is so good. Y'all, you gotta try it.